Hi everybody, welcome. So happy you're joining me today for a little while. I do unboxings and try-ons and reviews and anything else that sounds like fun. My sleepy sidekicks are here and already seem to be settling down to relax and not getting into their job, which is pretty tough, just looking cute. So guys, can you say hi? Wyatt, Zena, can you say hi? Cece, come say hi. Come on, Wyatt. Can you say hi? All right, Zena wants to relax. Wyatt, can you say hi? It's a tough job you guys have, isn't it? Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Okay, thank you. Yes, okay. So, I have a mini haul for you today from the Loft, and I have to share it with you today because I want to make sure you all remember that your Loft Cash can be used right now, and they have all kinds of special deals going on. So I want to make sure you guys remember that so you can get the best possible, cheapest prices. And I have some gift ideas. So first up, I will share my gift ideas with you. In case you guys hadn't already seen them, Old Navy has the cutest socks right now on sale. And they've been promoting them for like $1 each. And they are the super soft, super cute, cozy socks, and they're one size fits all. They have all different patterns and on them. Lots. This one has the animal, the bear. They're $5 normally, but they've been promoting them for $1. Usually, if you use your credit card or half off. So I thought these would make great stocking stuffers. They'd be great for grab bag gifts or for your coworkers. Whatever, they'd be awesome little gifts. Let me show you a few. So that's the bear. We have the little elf, the reindeer, the llama. Is that not cute? I love purple, so of course I had to get that one. Let's see what else. Oh, this is another deer, the fawn. So cute. What else here? Oh. Look at this one. The sloth. Is that not so cute on the Christmas lights? There's so many of them. There's the snowman. Lots and lots. I could show you more. There's lots and lots of cute little patterns. So I thought those would make very cute gifts. My other one I wanted to share for today is also at Old Navy, and it is their scarves, which I also think would make great grab bag Secret Santa gifts, and they've been on sale as well. So there is this one in the pretty purple plaid, and this one is an infinity scarf, and the original price on this one, they're all obviously all one size fits all. It doesn't tell me what the original price was. That's real nice. But this one is the maroon plaid, and I got this for $3.49. And I think it's so cute, and it's so soft. I love it. This is another one. This one is more of a blanket type scarf. Also so pretty. So I love the colors in this. This is the flannel blanket scarf in the white and red plaid, and I got this for $11.49. And the last one I'll show you is they're calling this the black and red plaid, the same as the other one, and this one was $11.51. Not sure why, 2 cents difference, but probably there's probably a buy one get one or some kind of deal. But anyway, I thought those would also be another cute gift I wanted to share. So I hope that's helpful. Let's move on to my mini haul. So I call it a mini haul because I only have 3 items to share with you today from the Loft, but I wanted to do it, as I said, so that you guys all remembered that your Loft Cash started today, which is Tuesday. You won't see this till tomorrow. I think it runs until the, is it the 10th? I'll double check for you when I come back. But if you have any, you're going to want to use it because I'm pretty sure they're going to have different specials every day. So today's special was 40% off tops and sweaters. And Zena now wants to be part of the action. I think she's just trying to get closer to the treats, which I have sitting here. So It was 40% off tops and sweaters, so that's what I checked out, and I picked up 1 top and 2 sweaters. So this was the first top, and this is part of their new clothing that arrived, new arrivals. So this cute little floral top, and I think I was drawn to it because of the colors. So it does have some purples and pinks and greens in it. It does have this little button here in the front that you can leave open. When they showed it in the store, they actually had this unbuttoned, so you could go either way. And it has like the little t-shirt hem. It has the buttons at the wrist. So the original price for this was $59.50, and I got it today on Tuesday. I do have their card, and on Tuesdays you get that extra 10% off if you shop with your card. So my pricing is super confusing because it was 40% off, and then I used my Loft Cash, so it was in another, you know, I got another 25 off 50 for everything that I spent. I think my total was around $119. Then I got another $50 off of that, and then an extra 10%. So the price of this top ended up being $19.04. I think that's a pretty good price. All right, next up is a sweater. This is a cardigan. Original price was $79.50 in this cute little leopard print. Has the little notches on the side. I thought this was cute. And this is actually a dark gray and a cream. And this one I paid let me look here. This one I paid $31.04. That's pretty good, right? From $79.50, right? Yeah, okay. So we'll see how these look on. And last is another cardigan. I was looking for a tan cardigan. I had gotten one in a fashion box a while ago, and for some reason I returned it. This one's a little bit thicker. The original price was $59.50. I ended up getting it for $16.18. Yeah, $16.18. So it is a tan cardigan. It was one of their new arrivals. Has that cute little front. So I think this has a different front, if I can even hold it up for you guys to be able to see that. But it just kind of hangs open there in the middle. And it's a nice basic color, neutral. All right, so I have on just jeans and a black tank on underneath here, and I'm just gonna try these items on top of what I have on. So I will be right back and we'll get to it. Okay, so here is the blouse. You could button it here at the top and create this little bit of a keyhole look, but I actually think, especially with my issues with things being too close to my neck, I think I like it open with a little bit of a notched collar look to it. But I'm actually liking the colors in this blouse. I think the pattern is pretty, and yeah, and I like the purples and the greens in it. I think it's nice. So the length is very nice as well. So if you wanted to, you could probably even wear this with leggings. I think it's cute. So it does have the buttons here at the wrist on the cuffs. And I think, yeah, I didn't know if it had a pleat back here, but I don't think that it does. So I think it's a cute little blouse. Okay, and then I can try it on with this tan cardigan, since there is tans in it. Let's see what that looks like. And I just put it on with these jeans I already had on today. I would probably wear dressier jeans with it, but since I had them on, I didn't change. So I normally don't like cardigans that have a really heavy collar hanging But this one I thought would be cute, and it was just a slight drape. So I'm curious to see how this looks. I like how it just has that little bit. So how does that look? Does it hang out too much? I don't think it's too bad. Sometimes you just really need a cardigan because it's too cold. And I think this is a nice basic. And for the price, I think that's really good. I love whenever you can double dip. And then the fact that I realized it was the 10%, additional 10% Tuesday, that was like great. All right, last one. Let me try the little leopard print cardigan. Okay, so now I have on this leopard print cardigan, which is so cute. So it has the thicker band here in the solid color on the side. Sorry, I've got receipts everywhere. And then the leopard print. It's a thinner material, but it's nice and comfy, which I really like. So it's not too thick that you couldn't put a coat on over top of this. You most definitely could. But yet, I think it'll be enough to keep you warm as a layer if you wanted to wear this in the winter with a tank on like I have, or if you wanted to put a shirt on underneath it. So I like it for that. The weight is good. It has this cute little notch here on the sides. And the length is nice. So it does cover your whole bum. And I think it's a cute length. So this is actually like a charcoal gray on a light gray with a little bit of a, I guess that would be a cream because it's not like a bright white. So very nice colors. I think it's cute. And again, I think the price was good. Yeah. I think I could have put on a different colored shoe with this. I should have gone with like a red shoe or a brightly colored shoe. Or you could always put a different colored tank on underneath this. That would be really cute. All right. So I will be right back for a quick wrap up. Okay, I had to pick Wyatt up because he was laying where I needed to sit. So he's awake now, right, buddy? You're awake. Yep. So overall, I think all three pieces were super cute and the price was right. And I don't see any reason to return them. And since I just had the three pieces, I don't think you need to see them again. So thank you so much for joining me today. I so very much appreciate it. I will put, let me see now. I will list the items down below for you. If I can find the links, I will include them as well so you can find these items. I would love, love, love it if you'd hit that thumbs up button and give me a like for this video. Me and my sleepy sidekicks would truly appreciate the support, as well if you could hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I so hope you guys find some great gifts this holiday season. As I come across them, I'll try to pass them along to you. I hope that's helpful. Till next time, bye everybody.